Hello, hello. Good morning, good morning. Once again, this is Kaprotas. Breakfast time. My coach, more cook hot pods better to me than more press cold pods. That's my coach and observation. But ignore my pods. It's up to you what is your pods. And also, any problems that comes to me, I have a solution. I don't put in heart on my problem because it will destroy my everyday life and future. I always say there is a solution a problem. I can find a solution. That's my coach and observation. Okay, let's it. Breakfast time. Press. Orange. Only this the press. Matamis. Cook. Wow. Mainit-init pa. Masarap ang sabaw. Asin lang nilagay ko. Pwede na.